Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is Friday, December the 20th. I'm last minute with these videos, y'all, but I just wanted to do a quick update of how my craft show went last Saturday. I was at a high school over in Lake Worth, and it was a one-day show from 9 to 4. Booth fee was $50, but that included one table, two chairs, pulled pork sandwich with chips and a drink, and a 10 by 10 space. Well, the area they put me in, it was my booth and then my neighbor's booth, but there was like plenty of empty room in between us. So both of us, we both was like, okay, well, we got a little bit more room. So we both set up our booths. She was selling baked goods. Across from me, the couple had a double booth. They was selling those engraved, like wood engraved items, and also those 3D animals, and some freeze dried goods, like a small display of freeze dried. So the son did the freeze dried, the husband did the 3D items, and the wife did the engraving. But they bought two booths. I just had my scrunchies, my stocking stuffer Hershey's Nuggets, the Cocoa Packs, the Cozy Packs, some wreaths, and some totes. Now, the weird thing about it, when she sent the event coordinator, she sent our booth locations like the week before. When I looked at it, I had asked for a corner. She was like, if you want something, just let me know and I can accommodate, or at least try to. And I was like, could I get a corner? She was like, sure. I didn't have no corner, y'all. Um, when I saw that location on the map, I'm like, wow. I was like, this is going to be a sucky location because it was enclosed. Like there was a ramp for the, handicap accessible wheelchair and all that was around us. And then there was the stairs. But if you were in, on a scooter, wheelchair, anything like that, you couldn't access our booths. We were like the only ones right there. You couldn't access us. You could go around and like look over the wall, but you couldn't access us. But I didn't complain. I was like, okay, whatever. Get in where you fit in. So the table, I had to, pull some just Dollar Tree finest tablecloths together because the table was like a 6 by 10 or 6 by 8. It was a weird shape. Basically two short tables together. So it was like a giant square. So I just threw tablecloths on it and I set my wreaths on it, the wreath stands. And I put my wreaths on it. Then I had my Cozy Packs, my Hershey's Nuggets, and my Cocoa Packs. And then I had some scrunchies on the table. And I had my grid wall up that had scrunchies and tote bags and aprons and stuff. So it was, I sold one wreath, the wood theme wreath, which was like one of my most expensive ones. So I was happy for that. I sold a few scrunchies, a couple of lanyards, a couple of Hershey's Nuggets, maybe a few of those. The thing that surprised me is my tote bags. I made those a while ago, and I usually have them on a grid wall or, on a table or something like that. I had some extra wreath stands that I just brought too many of them. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to stuff these tote bags with some plastic that I had for, to wrap my wreaths up in. I'm going to shove those in there, to floof them up, and I'm going to hang them on the wreath stands out front. I had two Christmas ones that I've been having seem like forever, and I lowered the price to $15. I was like, I'm trying to get rid of these. I didn't think they would sell. Those sold. Both of them sold. Big tote bags, Christmas print, reversible with the snaps and pockets and stuff. I'm like, I'm going to start displaying tote bags, like this from now on. It was not a good event for me. I made a total of $155 now. I made 3 times my booth fee. So with that, that's good. But the money I spent on the Cocoa Packs, the Hershey Nuggets, Cozy Packs, all that, I still had plenty of those left at the end. So it's like I spent $170 in supplies, made $150, you know, plus my booth fee was $50. So wasn't a good event, as in, profits and getting rid of inventory. I couldn't really tell that anything sold, except for the one wreath, the 2 totes. That was $80 right there for the wreath and the 2 totes. And then I sold, a few things in between, but I didn't sell any of the Cocoa Packs, y'all. Maybe one, if that many. No, I didn't. I didn't even sell that one. But I don't know if I maybe need to try elementary school for, the little stocking stuffer treat things, or, just ask for a better location, maybe, pay extra and be front row center by the main entrance or something. But I wasn't happy with that. It was 3 times my booth, but I was thinking about, I still got all this stuff. So guess what everybody's getting for Christmas? Hershey's Nuggets, Cocoa Packs, and Cozy Packs. That is what everybody's getting. We're going to get together. My mom and my sister, my niece, they're on a cruise. I had to work. So we're going to have a after Christmas dinner, like on Friday. And, other family members are going to be there. So everybody will be getting Hershey's Nuggets, Cocoa Packs, and Cozy Packs for Christmas this year from me. So, y'all, it wasn't a good event. I may go back next year, like I said, try a different place, as in a different location, maybe somewhere that's handicap accessible. I mean, that's not the main thing. They couldn't get down there, but it wasn't like a lot of, people in wheelchairs and scooters were trying to, get over and see what's what. But I just like to be in a place that's accessible for everybody. And, yeah, this year, my holiday events at the schools, I didn't make much money. And I still have plenty of inventory. And the events that I hosted, that I set up at, which was like 2 events, a fall one and my first Christmas one, I was not in my booth half the time. And yeah, that's not how you're supposed to handle, being a vendor at a craft show, being away from your booth all the time. So next year we will see how it goes, what's up. But y'all, I may give the school another try. Like I said, try a different location, front row center, or if they're using the gym again, maybe in the gym. Also, next week is Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. I might just do a post next Friday, and then I might go to the Christmas store and do a walkthrough video. I love all their stuff, but I will put that up probably on Tuesday if I do that. I don't know, but I'm about to start making, savings challenge items. I'm thinking about doing another money bank, also savings sheets, savings binders, that kind of thing. New Year's resolutions for everybody. It's always lose weight, closer to God, make more money, get healthy. So that's all I got for y'all today. If y'all have any comments or questions, drop them below. Please subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I know, shameless plug. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.